The Science and Technology Policy Research Institute of the Council for Scientific and Industrial Research has held a policy dialogue in Accra on a proposed climate change resilience technology known as solar radiation management. The dialogue was part of a process to collect and compile data on the new technology to inform government's policy on the subject.
The policy dialogue is part of an ongoing process to gather inputs from all stakeholders, including ordinary members of the public, on the subject of solar radiation management (SRM), as climate change continues to threaten food and water security and undermine sustainable development on the planet, particularly in vulnerable regions. Various ideas are emerging on how to deal with the situation. One such idea is a technology known as solar radiation modification (SRM). This involves pushing back some of the sun's radiation, a form of energy that can adversely affect weather patterns and food production by shaping global cloud cover and so on. However, there are scientific uncertainties as well as environmental, ethical, political, and social concerns about the said technology. The ongoing information sharing is to generate nationally grounded data on the subject to inform policy. This is expected to help Ghana understand the subject fully in order to participate meaningfully in international discussions on the issue. Some directors at the CSIR-Science and various environmentalists and scientists made presentations during the dialogue. The Minister of State in charge of climate change and sustainability, Mr. Babaseidu Isifu, joined the conversation online, saying government welcomed the ongoing process to generate inclusive evidence on the matter ahead of national policy decision. In the evidence-gathering process, Ghana is collaborating with Philippines, with whom the country has a number of things in common. A Filipino team attended the dialogue and shared their experience with Ghana.